Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to learn the exercise of the poem. The name of the poem is Sunning. First of all, answer the following questions. First question is, why did the dog flap its ears? The answer of this question is, the dog flapped its ear to get rid of a buzzing fly. Second question, where did the dog scratch itself? The dog scratched itself on an itching spot. What did the dog dream about? The dog dreamed about chasing a rabbit. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. Why do you think the dog lay down in the summer sun? The answer of this question is, the dog lied down in the summer sun because it was too old and lazy to run around. Which words best describe the dog? Hot, active, dreamy. Hot and old best describe the dog. What are the differences between the old dog in the poem and the puppy you read about in a previous poem? The dog is lazy. It prefers to lie down and rest than to run around because it has grown too old. The puppy in previous poem is young and full of energy. It much prefers to play and have fun than to lie down and rest. Answer the questions about this line taken from the poem. He whimpered a bit. Who whimpered? What does whimper mean? The dog whimpered. Whimpered means to make a low winning sound or to cry softly. Was there a reason for this whimpering? There was no reason for this whimpering. The dog did this merely from force of habit. When did this take place and where? It took place on a summer day. It took place on porch of a house. Find all the rhyming words in the poem. Do they form a pattern? The rhyming words are sun, run, fly, eye, spot, porch, a bit, habit, rabbit, sun, run. The rhyming pattern is AA, BB, CC, DD, AA. With the help of our dictionary, find the meanings of the following. Whine, to cry in long. मीनिंग इसका है बुलंद आवाज में रोना. Whimper, to cry softly, कू कू करना. Snivel, to behave in a tearful way, झूठे आंसू बहाना. Sob, to weep softly, सिसकियां भरना. Wing, to grumble, बड़बड़ करना. Groan, to moan, कराहना. Moan, to make a low sound of pain, कराना. Grumble, to complain, बड़बड़ करना. Use the following sentences in of your own. As smooth as butter. The cloth was as smooth as butter. As quick as lightning. The horse was as quick as lightning. As tough as leather. The string was as tough as leather. As stiff as a post. My back is as paced by sitting up for a long. The string was as tough as leather, and the next one is, my back is paced by sitting up for a long. Look again at the similes above. Can you think of other ways to say the same thing. Example, as smooth as a baby's cheek, as quick as dash, as smooth as silk, as quick as snake, as tough as a nut, as stiff as bat. Learning about language, look at the following sentences. The old dog lay in the summer sun. He flapped on air. He winked a half opened sleepy eye. He scratched himself. Sentences like these are statements. What did the dog do? Is that a dog or a tiger? Statement like these are question. At the end, there is a question mark. Note the question mark at the end. Okay. Go to bed at once. Give me some sweets. Statements like these are commands. What a rainy day. Oh, what a nuisance. Sentences like these are exclamations. नोट द एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क एट द एंड, मतलब ये कि जिसके एंड पे इस तरह का साइन होगा वो सेंटेंसेस एक्सक्लेमेशन के सेंटेंसेस होंगे, और जहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मार्क होगा वो हमारे पास क्वेश्चन होंगे सेंटेंसेस. Say what kind of sentences these are. Oh, what a good girl you are! Exclamation. यहाँ पे साइन भी दिया हुआ है. It began to rain heavily. Statement. Are you a man or a mouse? Question. Don't go near the fire. Command. Go at once and bring some firewood. Command. That man over there is my uncle. Statement. What a wonderful day it has been! Exclamation sign भी दिया हुआ है. ये क्या है? Exclamation. Will you be able to climb it? Question. Write 2 new sentences of each pattern in your notebook. सबसे पहले स्टेटमेंट के देखें. माई फादर इज़ अ बिजनेस मैन. आई रीड इन क्लास 3. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन. वट इज़ योर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट? वाई आर यू क्राइंग? नेक्स्ट वन इज़ about command. Do not pluck the flowers. Fetch some water. Exclamation. What a hot day it is. What a marvelous victory it has been. Next हमारे पास है do you do anything from force of habit? Talk about it in class. Write about one of your habit. I have the habit of talking too much. I realize it is a bad habit and sometimes it annoys others. I try my best to control it, but the force of habit is such that often I get carried away. I know that one should spend more time at listening and less time at talking, but right now I am unable to control it. I wish that there had been some easier way to get rid of it.